I recently went on a 2-week photography trip to 5 countries around the Baltic Sea. The European budget airlines have more strict personal carry-on bag limitations than we have here in the United States. So I picked up the smallest bag that I could that would contain all my gear so I could keep it with me on the plane. A $40 bag from Walmart, and it did just great. The bag is 11 inches across by 14 inches high and just 5 inches deep. All my gear in the bag, it came in at just under 8 pounds. And this is what I brought. My OM system OM5 along with 14 by 42 zoom, my OM system 40 to 150 zoom, and an Laowa Prime 17mm 1.8 tripod. I brought my Sennheiser shotgun microphone along with the fuzzy. I brought my Sony ZV-1 for vlogging and some stills. And I brought as backup my old beat-up Canon SX620 power shot that still works great. I also brought my European adapter to be able to charge everything. Brought all my charging cords as well, and a fuzzy for the Sony ZV-1. I even had some extra space in the bag. This Med Mini travel CPAP, along with the cord for the ResMed Mini, and most importantly, I put in an Apple AirTag just in case the bag and I got separated. That's my bag for 2 weeks of shooting in Finland, Estonia, Latvia, Denmark, and Sweden. And I also packed this small Foldie shoulder bag that I could put my cameras in when I was walking around in case I just got tired of carrying them. I also packed in my personal bag Sony noise-canceling headphones for the long flights and for whenever I wanted to just sit and relax and listen to some music on my iPhone. I love my Lumix FZ80, but it was just too heavy to bring, so it stayed home. Okay, let's take a look at what I got. We're getting close to the end of the 2-week trip around the Baltics, visiting 5 different countries. I've really enjoyed using this Laowa 17mm 1.8. I definitely have a learning curve to go on it, with the manual focus in particular, but I'm really interested to see how the pictures turned out using a prime.